What was once a controversial plant is now the latest health craze. It's called cannabodiol, also known as CBD. It's recommended by many doctors and people are self-prescribing it. But one of the big questions surrounding CBD oil is, will it show up on a drug test? From gas stations to doctors' offices, these three letters are creating a buzz as CBD's popularity continues to grow.
So this is probably our best seller.
Katy is the owner of On Point Acupuncture. She sells different supplements of CBD at her office in Beckley.
People get kind of freaked out because they see the marijuana plant with CBD, and it's actually not marijuana. It's part of the plant, but it's a very specific part of the plant.
CBD is one of the many compounds derived by cannabis. Another is THC, which is found in marijuana. Unlike THC, pure CBD products do not create hallucinogenic effects.
If you get a good product that's been third-party tested and the manufacturer actually knows what they're doing, then you're going to see benefits from it.
Those benefits are wide-ranging, from relieving chronic pain, anxiety, and depression to treating MS and Parkinson's disease. According to cannabis industry analyst with the Brightfield Group, CBD is growing faster than cannabis in the U.S. and will be a $22 billion industry by 2022. But as it grows, so does the question, will it show up on a drug test?
If you're testing positive for THC and you're on something that claims it's CBD, that company is lying.
At Kramer Security and Investigations, Jennifer Canfield is the director of drug and alcohol testing. She says they do around 20,000 drug tests a year.
Each drug has a cutoff level, and if the level of the drug that's in your system, or not in your system, but if it exceeds the amount of the cutoff level, then the test is positive.
For THC, that cutoff level is 50 nanograms, set by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration.
For a test to come back positive with CBD oil, the donor would have to take a very large amount of the CBD oil, 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of the product, or be a regular user.
Canfield says if you take a drug test while taking CBD oil, you should tell the person administering the test.
That way, if you do test positive for THC, you're able to supply that, and then whenever they send it off for confirmation, that'll be able to show whether it is the CBD oil or if it's actually marijuana.
To claim CBD, the product has to have less than 0.3% THC, which will not show up on a drug test. But CBD supplements are not tested, approved, or regulated by the FDA.
Since it's not regulated, people can put whatever they want to on the bottles. So that's why it's really important to look at third-party research, because not only is that company doing the research, they're sending it off because to get a second opinion on it.
Most companies who get their products third-party tested will post their certificate of verification or lab results to their website. If you don't see one, you can call the company directly. Korchik says it all comes down to transparency, with companies trying to establish a reputable name within the CBD industry.
If you buy it from someone that knows what they're doing, or a company that's responsible, then you shouldn't have a risk.
Reporting in Beckley, Katy Anderson, 59 News. And the FDA has issued warning letters to 3 CBD companies they say made false claims in their advertising. We have those companies named over on our website. The FDA will hold a public hearing on May 31st to get more information on the production, effects, and safety concerns regarding CBD oil.